day 8 of 31 Days of Halloween Themed Prints. In order for me to get this wonderful golden themed trophy, and in order for me to do that, I have to find a print, I have to slice it, I have to edit it, I have to film it, I have to upload it daily on this channel. Normally we don't do this type of content. This is all in preparation to show you guys what we can do on a large scale format. If you guys are interested in large scale prints, extruders, software, or a industrial grade 3D printer, there's a link in the description below. Now we're gonna speed things up here over the next couple episodes because we are running lower and lower on time. So here is today's print. So here is the size comparison to an actual human being. Not too bad. Here's that. And also I want to say the insides are hollow, so not too much there. But nice little beautiful prints. Now if you guys would like to see a life-size scale of what we can do with our 3D printers, let's get this video to 50 likes. We can literally get a life-size scale of this. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you guys want to see a life-size alien egg. Also, let